Welcome back to school. Std.5, Unit 1, Poem What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In the first stanza, the poet, that is the bird, says that its first house was a little house where he lived very well. The world to the bird was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. In the second stanza, the bird says about its second home was so comfortable there that it did not need any other house. The bird also says that it thought that the world was made of straw and covered by its mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." In the third stanza, the bird says that one day it fluttered, flew with trembling movement, or flew unsteadily. Fluttered means flew with trembling movement or flew unsteadily out of the nest to see what it could find. It thought that it had been blind earlier, for now it realized that the world was made of leaves. At last, I flew beyond the trees and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? In the last stanza, the bird says that at last, when it flew beyond the tree and saw the blue sky, it was surprised. The bird is not able to tell how the world was really made up of, so it questions us if we could tell. So students, let us see what we have learned from the poem. The first little house of the bird, it was an egg. The second house of the bird, it was the nest. The world around the bird's nest, it was tree with leaves. The world beyond the tree, the open blue sky. We have something interesting, students. Find and list the rhyming words from the poem. First one, well, shell. Second one, other, mother. Third one, find, blind. Fourth one, blue, you. This presentation is created by Mehreen Javali. Have a great day. Bye.